Hey everyone, Tyler here. I wanted to show something I just got in the mail. First of all, here's what I ordered. I ordered $2 and I paid $4 for $2. That's not good investing. But I wanted 2 shiny ones and my local post office doesn't have them anymore. So I bought them on eBay, which at 100% markup is not great, but at this quantity, it's a hobby. It's just fun. So P's and D's, these are the Pennsylvania and the Denver Mint. eBay makes it really hard to see. They give you all these other ads. But you eventually get down to the description. They told me some coins aren't perfect, may have flaws, dings, tarnished or blemished during the minting process or may get toning. Shipped by USPS first class mail. All dollars from US Mint original wrapped rolls, carefully placed by white cotton gloves in 2x2 cardboard holders. And obviously this is a stock image of the dollars. I got an interesting package a letter / package today. Let's take a look. So let's see what we got here. Okay. Oop, careful with knives, people. Okay, so here's what he did. He put a paper invoice, stapled it around the coins. That works. And so, there's the coins. So they are in 2x2s. Yeah, it's got some scratches on it. I guess he didn't call them BU. He did call them uncirculated. So I'm okay with that. Yeah, they're not perfect, but exactly what I wanted. Shiny dollar coins. So that's what I ordered, and that's what I got. That'll be a fun addition to my collection. I wanted a Peratrovich dollar because she lived in Seattle. That Native American bird there looks a lot like a Seahawk, and that's our American football team here in Seattle. Kind of a homage to the city I live near. Hope you enjoyed seeing me open that up. Take care. See you next time.